lot of chicken and empanadas. Bananas are good. Berries are good. Not it. Turkey, pickles, mango. All right, we just landed. We're in the rental. I'll probably do like a tour of that in a second. But it is a Ford Marquis. It's like the new electric vehicle. I don't know. It got the panoramic roof. You know, it's electric. Yeah, I don't know. I wanted a Tesla, but I'm not mad at it. Um, yeah, now we're gonna head to the hotel. You can see my mom driving this. Maybe. I just think it's like it's just futuristic. Like gadgets and
She'll have
gadgets.
you showing her how to fix all the settings.
Type would be one of those situations. But yeah, I like it. I drive a Ford. I think Buick is Ford, so not too bad. Right now, I'm waiting on the hotel address to get sent. All right, I'll hit you when I get to the hotel.
My last bitch told me I changed, but I'm still rolling. I took time away from the game, but I'm back on my book. I look him right in his face, and I tell him he pussy. I tell him he pussy. I bet he won't push. 10 more days, I might just end up here on my last. 10 more nights, I dug extra deep into my bag. Way too many times, I got too high, I almost crashed. This shit feels so good right now, I think I want it bad. She pouring her love, I'm mulling up pain. It's green like a drug, it's my favorite strain. Got a cross hanging on my chest, fuck, she keep gripping on my chain. All my bitches shine like diamonds, she wants something plain. 10 more days, I bet I end up here with all my cash. Fell in love, the nigga, she can't run from her past. I keep fucking up, they love to smoke, breaking bad. Money counter, playing blues, but I like the sound of jazz. My last bitch told me I changed, but I'm still rolling. I took time away from the game, but I'm back on my book. I look him right in his face, and I tell him he pussy. I tell him he pussy. I bet he won't push.
Off rip, we've been here for like maybe 10 minutes. It's a whole different server, right? Completely different. Super hot out here, kind of humid. Everybody has like a luxury car. It's like a BMW, another Tesla. So we just left Walgreens. It's just like crazy. We really on this different server. It's so hard to find someone who like actually speak English. It feels like. I'm gonna try to like get an actual like recording of the dialect, but it's just really just Spanish. It's all Cuban. Beautiful though. It's humid. Feeling. Chilla poopy. It's upset. It should be alright. Waiting to check into the hotel. Because that is at 3. And it's only 11. We go down that way and across the street, put this stuff in the car. So we got a couple hours to kill. Probably gonna go get lunch or just like a little app or something, somewhere close, maybe walking distance. I don't know. We have to get some Walgreens. So when you touch down somewhere, Walmart's the best spot. We had time to kill. Walgreens is like literally, that's a hotel. Like Walgreens is like back there. So super close to the hotel, so I'll probably stop there. I don't know, man. I'm just enjoying Miami. Ew, the lizards are out. I don't know if I forgot that or not. Okay, the Sherlock lizard. You finding your people? Yeah, I don't know if you hear the sirens, but we walked out of Walgreens. It was like a bunch of fire trucks. I should have recorded it. Kind of just pulled out the GoPro a little too late, but something happened. I feel like that's common though. The way people cross the street here, and the way this like the city operates, really carefree. So like, somebody hits you or you hit somebody, or that's how you see the fire trucks and all that. It's super far down there. It's like over there. Yeah. That's cool. Okay, so we decided to come to Miami right before a hurricane passes over or by. The trees are fucking going crazy right now. It's like 45 miles an hour for wind. I think it's just slowed down, but they were really shaking. Right now we're finna head to a coffee and juice bar, get some food. Still waiting to check into the hotel. The check-in's still not to 3. It's about 12 o'clock, so we have about 3 hours to kill. Or we can actually shower, put on real clothes. Yeah. Super humid though. She's all sticky. She don't like it. Yeah. How you feeling about Miami so far?
Humid. I don't know. It's cool. I like it so far. I haven't seen that much yet, so I don't have a strong bias or opinion yet.
It feels like GTA. Like,
Only been here like 3 days.
been here like 3 hours, but it feels like GTA. Like, here goes another like cop car coming up. Been hearing a lot of sirens, but we're like on the main strip. I don't know, can't really complain. There's a lot of
Let's go to the
restaurants.
beach after this.
Today? Alright, that was a cop car though. Yeah, it's flying past. Well, the Cubans looking at me kind of crazy. I hate when people just stare like they've never seen anybody with a camera before. It's like super windy. You see it picking up on them trees. You probably can't even hear me because all the the wind. The audio's probably fucked.
I'm like pushing against it.
Yeah, it's like you're fighting it almost. Like the shirt's pushing back. Not it. Crazy. 40 miles an hour. We were driving the car earlier. I don't think I can record.
Oh, not please. Where's all my glasses?
I'm gonna take the leg. Alright, so we just came to juice and coffee. So, my first authentic is probably Cuban. So, let's see. The turkey, ham, cheese.
He said they've been wrong. Yeah, very well.
Thank you.
They give you like a hefty side. I was expecting like the smoothie king size portion.
Yeah, it's like a huge Asiago. It's like a whole meal. So. I'm excited. This is like an energy smoothie. Oh no, it's like super green.
Yeah.
Yeah, that got like the celery in it. So
Oh, jeez.
it's like, yeah, I'm a.
That's that Dr. Sebi. For real.
He said this is not the Sebi.
And it's not even cold. That shit tastes like grass water.
Get what you pay for.
What do you want to buy here? I'm not gonna lie.
A little hungry, yeah. Should've got you the tail. It's the mission. Trying to eat this food this way. So, $45 an hour. Empanada. I'll take a bite right now. A lot of chicken in the empanada. Super fluffy, light. There's a pepper in here. Green, orange. Funny,
I like that. The carrot was everywhere.
I don't think it's carrot. I think it's orange pepper.
See what it is? Scott, please, but it's been like a good 5 minutes. I was gonna go.
Yeah. It's good that I see how move. Banana, berries. Well, I see out at the bottom. I get a good look at everything. Super like light. Coconut's a little overpowering, a lot of flakes, but bananas are good, berries are good. This will be the ICR. What do you think? Better than smoothie here. Better than smoothie here, kind of crazy. Alright, crack up on this Cuban. Okay, geek. Kind of like, not all the way mixed. Like, I don't know if you see this. It seems like whatever's in the inside is kind of sparkling. You see that? Then he gave me cocaine. They call it the energy smoothie. Pack up this killer. I'm gonna get this. So the bread, super firm. Kind of like toasted to it like a crust. There's ham, turkey, pickles, mayo, mustard, cheese. That's mine. So you really didn't skip on the meat. First bite, thick layer of turkey really hits you. Not a lot of condiment on it, which I like. Not like overly saturated with like the mustard and mayo. So it doesn't really take away from the sandwich. The pickles are nice. And the ham kind of just sneaks up on you at the end. Yeah, it's a good sandwich. Guys, I'll share a bite, y'all. Share a bite. She's like, they're trying to eat half the sandwich with one bite. No. Eat your eyes, here. Good. Pretty good, so go.
It's hard to sleep.
In a way, I'm gonna buy it. What? She busted in the Asia. Messy. Messy. Just can't eat without spilling something. Go pop.
I never had a sandwich like that before.
We're both. Okay.
What the heck?
So this is iced coffee. Iced coffee with vanilla. What else is this vanilla?
It's just an iced vanilla coffee.
Oh, this is really good. Let's check out one of these. Yeah, the coffee's like light fruit almost. Like that vanilla like brings the sweetness out into it, so it's not like super bitter. Then it's kind of like on the edge of being watery. Like I feel like once the ice melt, it could get watery. But right now it's good. It's good coffee. It's way better than my drink. So overall, probably giving the Cuban solid 9. This is probably like a 3, maybe 4. Iced coffee, hit it with like a solid 7. Then Asiao, give it a solid 8. And this is Juice Cab, Miami Beach. Overall rate, it's like $48 for all this food, so taking price into consideration, quality of the food, almost lost everything to this win. Give it an 8. What do you think?
This bowl is really good.
Bowl bustle.
The sandwich is really good too. I would give it a 8.7.
8.7 for Savannah. Alright, we'll finish this food, get back to you when we're done.
I need to get closer.